tell me what we're looking at.
All right, this is a vertical electrical furnace, okay? It's a little bit different if you're used to a typical gas setup. There's not a drain pan for this, okay? There's not required to be because of the way that it's set up. What there is instead is there is a safety float switch that's in here. So if you do get a clog that's in there, your indicator is going to be, your tenant's probably going to call you up and say they've got no reading on their thermostat. That's going to be your first indicator, and the unit's not running therefore. All they need to do is to kind of exaggerate the maintenance that I'm getting ready to teach you on this thing, all right?
Okay.
The standard maintenance for it is this. Right here, you've got a cap.
This thing you're talking about pouring some bleach in or something?
Yes. This is not even required to be on here, but I appreciate the plumber for the effort. So the deal is, if I was you, whenever you take purchase of the house, I would get like a small little bottle of bleach and I would leave it right in here.
Okay.
The reason that I would leave it in here is because once every month during the summertime and once every couple of months during the winter and fall, you want to pour a cap full of that bleach down in here. Condensation obviously creates an algae-rich environment, and that's where you end up with clogs on these systems.
Once a month?
Correct.
Okay.
Once a month is what I'm going to recommend to you.
I'll just set up an alert.
Best way to do it. At the same time that you're doing that, this is the only air return in the house.
Okay.
Okay, the sole air return that you have. This should be changed out once a month as well. Some people like to use the multi-month filters. There's nothing wrong with that, except for the fact that 6 weeks into the 3 months that they recommend with it, it already looks like you sucked up a cat, and quite frankly, it strangles the system.
No, we don't wait that long in ours.